Hi, this is Bonnie, and I'm pretty excited today to share with you some new Fairy Hug stamps. There has been a new release, and the theme is Mini World, which means a lot of these stamps are about 2 inches or under. Some of them are even smaller than that. So I might even show you about how big some of these are as we go. So to start, I don't have all of them. I only have some that I'm going to do one card with. And this one is called Little Acorn House. And just to let you know, it measures about 2 inches. This is one of the fairies from the collection. And her name is Camella. And she measures about 2 inches as well. And then we are going to have, there's going to be several different animals and sets. And this one is called Mini Bears. And the tallest one is about 1.25 inches there. And 1.25 inches. Yep. And even across about 1.25 inches. So these are really cute. If you can see the details on them, they're super cute. And then we have some really teeny tiny bunnies. And they also measure, this one measures about a little bit more than 1 inch. And then this one, which looks to be the largest one, going this way across about 1.25 inches. About 1 inch about 1 inch this way. And again, I don't know if you can see the really cute, here we go. You can see the really cute details in them. I should pull the bears back up. I really want you to see how cute they are. You can see the little details in them. Super cute. And then we have some, this one's backwards, tiny mushrooms, and there's 2 different sizes. So you really have this super tiny, which is 1 inch, and then you have one that's about 1.25 inches across. Super cute. And then these are the Woodland Mushrooms. They're a little bit taller. And they're about, not quite, well, about 2 inches. They're about 2 inches. And then we have a wonderful Woodland Florals set. And you can tell the 3 different sizes and designs. And this one's 1 inch, 1.75 inches. And this one is the tallest at about, let's see here, 2.5. Then we have some great little trees. This one's called Mini Oak Tree, and that one measures about 1 inch or 2 inches and 2.5 inches. And then this one's really cool. I love the arch of it. This one's Mini Arched Tree, and it measures about 2.5, and it is about 2.5 wide. So those are all the ones I'm going to use on this one card. It's going to be super fun. I hope you can stick around while we do some stamping. Okay, so I'm going to get all set up and I'm just going to start stamping. So instead of me talking through everything, I am just going to go ahead and stamp and speed it up. So let's get going. Okay, so to finish up my stamping, I also decided to add the mini fireflies that I didn't tell you about at the beginning. And I'm just going to put those up here, and I'm going to go ahead and stamp those for you really quickly. I am going to put that one right there. Here's the side one. I don't know if you can see that very well. Let me get closer for this one. There you go. It's kind of hard when I always have this part of the platform in my way. Okay, so this one is going to the side, and he's going to go right there, and our little bear is looking at all the little fireflies that are up above, just checking them out. I guess I'm going to have to lift that up just because of my lid. Okay, that's going to work. Get that out of the way. Take the ink off. There's our cute little firefly there. And then we're going to go ahead and put the other ones up here and just that way. Go ahead and do that in a minute. Get those both stamped at the same time. Now the little fireflies have a little glowing bottom that you can color in and make them look like they're glowing. Or just leave them like they are. They're super cute. Okay, so I've got both of those set on. Okay, let's get those stamped. And we will have our stamping completed. There we go. So I'm going to go ahead and take this off my platform and show you what it looks like. And that is all I'm going to be doing for this video. I am just showing you how you can stamp all these mini world stamps and make your own little cute little scenes. They're just really adorable. Let me get this out of the way. So there you go. There's so many. We have, I think there's like 38 sets in this collection, and you can make so many cute designs. So I hope you enjoyed that, and I will have everything that I use down below in the description. And I'm also going to have the finished card at the beginning of this video. So you can see how I colored in. I am going to go ahead and color a lot of the stuff in, like the mushrooms and things like that. So again, thanks for stopping by.